Hey, everybody, one of the most important things we can do in our business is forecast. And one of the things we want to forecast is where our next couple clients are coming from. And one of the things I recommend is you want to be forecasting where your next 5 clients are coming from. And when we talk about where they're coming from, you want to look at all the different buckets of your business. Are they coming from your current clients and referrals? Are they coming from additional clients within your current clients, additional arms of the businesses? Are they coming from networking? Are they coming from previous clients that maybe aren't working with you anymore but are referring you business? Are all of the different things? Are they coming from conferences that you're going to? Always know where within the next 30 days your next 5 clients are coming from. And you can actually forecast this out a quarter, 2 quarters, 3 quarters, or 4 quarters, depending on your networking events, your prospecting consistency, your conferences that you're going to, your follow-up routines, which you can use your CRM to determine how your follow-up is coming along. Typically, you want to call somebody 17 times before they call you back, and you can kind of start tracking trends of how long it takes to call someone in order to get them to become a client. But whether you own a company or whether you're in sales, if you own a company, you want to encourage your managers and your sales team to always be forecasting their next clients. And if you own a company, you want to be forecasting the same thing. Who are the next clients? Who are the next maybe even vendors that you need to generate clients? What do you need to do as a business owner to stay innovative to generate more clients? So there's a lot of different avenues that you can expand your thinking when it comes to my next 5 clients. So ask yourself that question: who are my next 5 clients? And then the next piece, and what do I need to do to get them? Have an amazing day, and always think big.